I'm at 499 Columbus Ave in the South End, Boston. And this is unit number 2. These are the windows, the unit we're going to see. This is the street, Columbus Ave and West Rutland. And this is the entrance to the unit. This gate is locked. You have a lock to get in and out. And this is the entrance to unit number 2. When you walk in, there is a little entry area with some shelving and a coat closet. So it's perfect for shoes, coats. Coat closet. Decent storage. And this is the living room. The living room is front facing, so it's looking over Columbus Ave. Here's the unit. And this is the kitchen and the dining area. I'll back up from here. So the living room. Dining area. And the renovated kitchen. Granite countertops, wine rack. And you have dishwasher, microwave, all full-size appliances, and really good cabinet space. Very cool countertop, very cool cabinets. And you have a garbage disposal. The 2 bedrooms are facing the back of the building, so it's a floor through front to back. In the hallway, there's another closet, excellent storage. And there is stackable in-unit washer and dryer. So private laundry. And then off the hallway again is also the bathroom. You can see the bathroom. Floors, shower, this is one of the bedrooms. Both bedrooms are really good size. Walk-in closet in this bedroom. Tons of storage, clothes, already has shelvings. And this is a king-size bed. So you can see how the king would fit. So queen obviously would be very easy to arrange in this room. Some more furniture will fit easily. Dressers, nightstands. Their apartment looks out on the alley. But it's an open alley. You're not facing the building in the back. It's just some private parking. I don't know if you can see. It's open space. You're not facing a wall. So here's the view of the bedroom again. And this is the second bedroom. Similar in size, maybe a little bit smaller. This is a queen size bed. So king would fit without a problem. The closet is a little bit smaller, but there's a trade-off. So the other bedroom has a walk-in closet. This bedroom has access to the deck, and it's a private deck just for this unit. You have another gate, and I'll walk out on the gate, on the deck. So that's West Canton Street. and windows to the other bedroom that I just came from. Back into the unit. Large bedroom with the walk-in closet. And we're back in the living room.